friends, we're back with another Miss Megan story time, and today's book is called Don't Push the Button, and this is written and illustrated by Bill Cotter, and this is a super fun book, so I'm really excited. I love interactive books. Hi, my name is Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Don't push the button. Seriously, don't even think about it. It does look pretty nice though. I wonder what would happen if we pushed it. No, we can't. We mustn't. Psst. No one is looking. You should give the button one little push. Should we try it? Okay, let's push it one little time. Ready? All right, let's see. Oops, sorry. Now I'm yellow. Push it again. Boop. Eek! Now I'm yellow and polka dot. Push it twice. Uh-oh. Boop, boop. Ah! Now there's two of me. Push it a bunch of times. Ah! Uh-oh. Look, there's a whole bunch of them now. Shake the book to get rid of all the extra Larrys. Shake! Ah! Almost, a little more. Shake, shake, shake. Shake the sillies out. Okay, there we go. It says here to scratch Larry's tummy to get him back to normal. So you've pushed the button, is what the book says. All right, ready? Let's scratch. Am I scratching or tickling him? Let's see. That tickles. Oh, much better. Let's not push the button again. But that was kind of fun. Maybe just a couple more pushes. Should we do it? Couple more pushes. Oh, you pushed the button. Look, they're back. Isn't that such a cute book? It's a short book, but it's a cute book. So, thank you for watching, and if you guys loved it as much as I loved reading it, please like, share, subscribe, and we will continue to get more books out. Thank you, until next time. Bye.